Hey guys, it's Michelle here from Financial Hair and Faith, and in today's video I just wanted to share with you my brand new NStyle box, which is the first box of the second edition of the NStyle box, created and curated by At Home with Nikki. I've been in the hospital with my son the past couple of days. He had surgery, emergency surgery. He's doing fine, and we just got home and I came home to this, so I figured let me share it with you all. So first, let me share my thoughts on the box. First of all, the lettering, the detail is so pretty, it's so elegant. I like the name of the box. I like the box itself because I am a nesting box kind of person. And so when I am done emptying the box of its contents, I will definitely be reusing this box to, store some things. Here's an opening of the box. It starts out, you get this letter from Nikki herself, Santorini Waters. And it says, Santorini, Greece is my favorite place on earth. The blue of waters is indescribable, and the wind that exudes from the waters makes you feel as if you are swaddled in a blanket of tranquility and beauty. I hope this box will allow you to escape and reconnect with your love of beauty. Thank you, Nikki. So let's take a look at what's in the box. From what I understand, every box will be curated to include a soy candle, which this right here is the candle. It's called Philocally. Ooh, I might be mispronouncing, but it's the love of beauty. Philocally. It has a double wick, and it smells really, really good. I've already opened this. I like things very pretty and shiny, so that was a pleasant surprise to me to receive that candle that was really very large. Then there is this linen spray or air spray with the same scent that is part of the candle. Because I purchased the deluxe size box, I also received this here container, which is mirrored. I'm gonna put it here. It has 2 levels. You can connect, it's connected, so you could put things inside of here and then put things inside of here and then put it on top. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use this, but it's very pretty, it's very sparkly, it's very shiny. I love mirrored items, I love clear items. I just like really pretty things. And while I know that this box is a bit pricey, I'm going to say that I invested in it for 2 reasons. One, again, like I said, I like really pretty sparkly things, but also because I really wanted to support Nikki in this venture. She has been very helpful to me with her tips that she shared over the years for home organization and home decorating, and it's really been helpful. I also love scented candles. I love soy candles. They cannot be any more welcomed in my home. I'm probably not going to keep this subscription going for long periods of time. I'm thinking I'll keep my subscription going for maybe 3 or 4 months, maybe a little longer through the holidays. We'll see. But this is what was received in the first box. I hope you like it. If you're interested, go to athomewithnikki.com, and I think she still has space to subscribe to the box if this is something that interests you. This is the deluxe box where you get the scented soy candle, extra large, double wick, the air spray, and the surprise item, which I actually really like. This is also available without receiving a surprise item, where you would just receive the candle and the spray, and that I believe is $38. Anyway, this is Michelle signing off. I'll see you in the next video.